Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is PLRPower. PLRPower, fresh out today, 25,000 PLR products. It's a continuously updating candidate site as well, and you're going to be selling 25,000 PLR products. This whole thing is $17, and fresh out this morning. Let me go inside and give you a little look at what you're getting into. Here you go, within 5 minutes of getting access. First off, bam. Website, 25,000. Huge industry of PLR. I don't think you notice this, but because you just see individual PLR products come up on Warrior Plus or JV Zoo, but the guys who sell all the PLR products, they make a ton of money too. It is really millions of dollars. I don't think I realized that. This is hosted for you, 25,000 articles, ebooks, training videos, software. It's under your brand name. So you want to call it PLR Dog or PLR Hotspot or whatever you want to call it. Your payment links, sell them to really whoever you want to. PLR platform owner, yeah. Commercial license, so you can sell. You're going to sell these no matter what. All set up, and it's $17. Let's see if there's anything else here I wanted to show you. Really, I want to go down a bit further. Control is yours. You got the whole thing. Okay, I'll leave you with the video to come and check the demo video. The link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. You'll find a bit of an introduction about what's there. There's a demo video there, and then the upgrade offers. $17 for the main offer, but there's some other unlimited ones that allow you to publish up to 100 PLR products a month. Or no, with the front end, you can only publish 100 PLR products a month. The unlimited one, which is $37, offer unlimited PLR products instantly, and the trial to paid membership. So there's a few different upgrade offers that are there that are all just different. Depends what you want to do. So click the link in the video description and check out PLRPower, and you can sell 25,000 PLR products today, right now. Watch the demo video and check it out at MarketingSharks.com. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com.